What if I told you that some of the most useful, creative, and even surprising school supplies are already hiding in your house right now? That's right. Before you even think about heading to the store or clicking Add to Cart online, take a look around your own home. You might be amazed at what you can find tucked away in drawers, forgotten in closets, or sitting on shelves. From old office supplies to leftover craft materials, your house is a treasure trove of potential school hacks just waiting to be discovered. Before you spend your hard-earned money on the latest gadgets or trendy supplies, let's do a little scavenger hunt. Dig through those kitchen drawers, check the back of your closet, and peek into those boxes in the garage. You'll be surprised at how many things you already own can be repurposed for school. Sometimes, the best solutions are the ones you create yourself, using what you have on hand. For example, maybe you've got a broken pencil or a tiny pencil stub hiding at the bottom of your backpack. Don't toss it out just yet. With a little creativity, you can turn that useless pencil into a handy mini highlighter, a custom-colored pencil, or even a stylus for your tablet. All it takes is a bit of imagination and a few simple steps. You'll not only save money, but you'll also feel proud of your resourcefulness. Or maybe your notebooks are a total disaster, pages falling out, random doodles in the margins, and no sense of order anywhere. We've all been there, but don't worry, because I've got a super simple trick that can transform your messy notebook into a neat, organized study tool in just seconds. No need to buy a new one, just use a few things you already have at home. I'll show you how to use binder clips, washi tape, or even rubber bands to keep your notes in place, create easy dividers, and make your notebook work for you. These quick hacks will help you stay on top of your assignments and never lose track of important notes again. Ever dreamed of having a fancy desk organizer, but don't want to spend a fortune? Get creative and crafty with things you were about to throw away, like empty cans, cereal boxes, or even old jars. With a little decorating, you can turn these everyday items into stylish organizers that keep your pens, pencils, and supplies in order. Plus, it's a fun way to personalize your study space and help the environment by recycling. These hacks aren't just clever, they actually work. They'll help you stay organized, save money, and add a burst of creativity to your school day. Imagine showing off your one-of-a-kind supplies to your friends, or feeling totally prepared for class without spending a dime. So, are you ready to get started? Let's dive in and turn what you already have into school supplies you'll actually love using. With these hidden school hacks, you'll be more organized, more creative, and more prepared than ever before. Let's unlock the potential of your home and make this school year your best one yet. Have you ever tried to prop your phone up on your desk to watch a video, only to have it slide down again and again? Maybe you're in the middle of an online class, or you just want to relax and watch your favorite show, but your phone refuses to stay upright. It's a common struggle, balancing your phone against a stack of books, a water bottle, or even your pencil case, only to watch it topple over at the worst moment. It can be pretty frustrating, especially when you just want to focus on what's on the screen. But don't worry, there's a simple and creative solution you can make yourself: a DIY phone stand. Not only is it easy to put together, but you can also customize it to fit your style and needs. Plus, making your own stand means you'll never have to hunt for the perfect angle again. Start by grabbing some recycled cardboard. An empty cereal box works perfectly. Using a ruler, measure out a rectangle about 6 inches long and 3 inches wide. This size is just right for most phones, but you can adjust it if you have a larger device. Carefully cut out the rectangle with scissors. If you don't have a ruler, you can estimate the size using your phone as a guide. Just make sure the cardboard is big enough to support it. Next, fold the cardboard into a triangle shape. This will give your stand stability and keep your phone upright. Secure the ends with tape or glue, whichever you have on hand. For extra support, you can double up the cardboard or add another layer. Then use scissors to snip small notches into the top edge of the triangle. These notches will hold your phone in place and prevent it from slipping. Make sure the notches are wide enough for your phone to rest comfortably. Want to keep your phone charged while you watch videos or join a call? Simply cut a small hole or slot near the bottom of the stand. This way, you can thread your charging cable through the hole and keep your phone powered up without any hassle. It's a small detail, but it makes your DIY stand even more useful, especially during long study sessions or movie marathons. Now comes the fun part: decorating your stand. Use colored paper, stickers, markers, or paint to make it your own. You can match it to your room decor, add your favorite characters, or write your name on it. Get creative and let your personality shine through. If you want, you can even make themed stands for different moods or seasons. Why stop at just one? Make a few stands and keep them in different places. One on your desk for studying, another in your backpack for school, and maybe one by your bed for late-night videos. They're lightweight and easy to carry, so you'll always have a stand wherever you need it. There's something really satisfying about using something you made yourself. When your friends see your homemade phone stand, they'll probably want one too. You can show them how to make their own, or even have a DIY session together. It's a great way to share creativity and have fun with friends. And if your stand ever breaks, gets worn out, or you just want a new look, it's super easy to make another one. Try experimenting with different shapes, colors, or materials. You can even upgrade your design as you get more creative. So next time you need to watch a study video, join a FaceTime call, or just relax with your favorite show, you'll have the perfect phone stand. Made by you, for you. It's practical, personal, and a little reminder that sometimes the best solutions are the ones you create yourself. Is your desk buried under a mountain of pens, paper clips, and random bits of stationery? If you're tired of searching for your favorite pen or constantly losing your scissors under piles of paper, it's time for a simple, creative solution. Let's tackle the chaos and transform your workspace into a neat, organized haven, using items you probably already have at home. All you need to get started is a small box. An empty shoebox works perfectly, and a handful of empty toilet paper rolls. These everyday items are about to become your new secret weapon for desk organization. First, grab your scissors and trim the box down to your preferred height. This makes it easier to see and grab your supplies. Next, arrange the toilet paper rolls upright inside the box. Each roll acts as a mini compartment, keeping everything separated and easy to find. You can fit as many rolls as you need, depending on how many supplies you want to organize. Now start filling each roll with your pens, markers, highlighters, or scissors. The rolls keep everything upright and visible, so you'll never have to dig around for what you need again. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your desk tidy. For even more organization, grab a marker and label each roll. You can sort your pens by color, type, or even by subject if you're a student. This way, you'll always know exactly where everything goes, and putting things back becomes a breeze. Want to add some personality to your organizer? Wrap the toilet paper rolls in colorful paper, patterned wrapping paper, or washi tape. You can even decorate the outside of the box to match your room or school supplies. This step is totally up to you. Make it as simple or as creative as you like. The best part is, you can move the rolls around to fit your supplies perfectly. If you get new pens or need more space for markers, just rearrange the rolls or add more. It's a flexible system that grows with your needs. Once you've filled the box with all your supplies, step back and admire your handiwork. You've just created a cute, custom desk organizer that's totally unique to you. It's practical, stylish, and made from recycled materials. What's not to love? If you want your compartments to stay put, use a little glue to secure the rolls to the bottom of the box. This keeps everything stable, even if you move your organizer around or take it to school. With your new organizer in place, your desk will look cleaner and more inviting. A neat workspace can actually help you focus better and make studying or working feel less overwhelming. Plus, you'll save time by always knowing where your supplies are. And if you ever outgrow your organizer, or want a fresh look, it's easy to swap out the rolls or decorate a new box. This project is so simple and affordable, you can update your organizer whenever you like. No need to buy expensive desk accessories. So give it a try. This DIY desk organizer is easy, budget-friendly, and totally customizable. It's a fun way to express your style while keeping your workspace neat and organized. Happy organizing! Ever mixed up your science and math notebooks? Let's fix that with custom covers. Grab a plain notebook, colorful paper, and your favorite stickers or markers. Trace, cut, and glue the paper onto your notebook. Decorate with subject-themed stickers or doodles, and add a color strip to the spine for easy coding. Use clear contact paper or tape to protect your design. No more boring covers or mystery notebooks. Each one is unique to you. If you want to change, just peel off the old cover and design a new one. Ever lose your pen right when you need it? Here's a quick fix, an emergency pen holder built into your notebook cover. Cut a piece of elastic or ribbon, glue or tape the ends to the inside front cover. Slip your pen under the band, no more digging in your backpack. Add a second band for a highlighter if you want. It's a simple upgrade that saves time and frustration. Use your favorite color or pattern to make it yours. Tired of tangled headphones and chargers? Make a cable organizer from cardboard in minutes. Cut a rectangle, snip notches along both sides, and wind your cables into the notches. Slide it into your backpack pocket. Goodbye, cable chaos. Decorate with duct tape or paint, and label each notch for different cables. Add more cables, just make a new organizer. It's perfect for anyone with tech gear. No more untangling knots between classes. Regular bookmarks disappear and dog-earing pages isn't cute. Let's make a magnetic bookmark that stays put. Fold a strip of sturdy paper, glue a tiny magnet to each end, and decorate. Slide it over your page. The magnets snap together and hold tight. Make a bunch in different colors or themes. Use patterned cardstock or laminate for durability. They make awesome gifts for friends or teachers too. Some days, school feels like a marathon. You need a boost. Make secret motivation cards, write encouraging messages or funny quotes on small pieces of paper, decorate them, then tuck them into a box, jar, or envelope in your backpack. Pull one out whenever you need a pep talk. Trade cards with friends for extra encouragement. It's a simple DIY that can make a huge difference on tough days. And if you run out, just make more. Always finding random erasers or USB drives at the bottom of your bag. Make a lost and found pocket. Use a small zippered pouch or snack bag, label it lost and found, and keep it in your backpack. It's the official home for stray items, bobby pins, coins, flash drives, even snacks. Add dividers inside for extra organization if you want. No more digging around or losing important stuff. Decorate the pouch to make it your own. Ever forget what your highlighter colors mean? Make a DIY highlighter key. Tape a sticky note to your notebook's inside cover and write what each color means. Yellow for main ideas, pink for definitions, blue for dates, etc. Draw icons or use stickers for a visual boost. Swap out the key if you change your system. Your notes will always be organized and easy to review. It's a tiny trick that makes studying so much easier. Everyone has that day when you forget your pen or eraser. Enter the last-minute supply kit. Fill a small pouch with essentials: pen, pencil, mini highlighter, eraser, sticky notes, bandage, and a snack. Stash it in your backpack or locker for emergencies. Decorate the pouch with your name or a funny saying. Refill it every few weeks to keep it fresh. You'll always be prepared, and maybe save a friend too. And there you have it, 9 easy DIY school hacks, plus a bonus emergency kit to make school more organized, creative, and fun. You don't need to spend a fortune. The best solutions are often things you can make at home. Which hack will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Hit like, subscribe for more DIY ideas, and share this video with a friend who needs to organize their backpack. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, stay organized, and keep making school your own adventure.